Hi everyone, at point of recording, this has just been less than a year. This is the third or fourth update I'm doing on the change interface for Copilot. So let's get going. Okay, if you're using Copilot by Microsoft, go to your Edge browser. And previously, if you have gone to that little icon, as you can see, if you were to create an image of a cat, there should be a window pane of 4 icons, right? Now, instead of seeing 4 icons of the window pane, you only get one and you get one image output. And if you notice that I only have the download button, I cannot do any form of editing. So it's a little bit annoying. And this is the update that you should be doing. Okay. So this is your Microsoft Edge browser. So instead of this Copilot button, ignore it. Go to this blue icon. Okay. Now you see this Copilot shows up. Okay. So I say create an image of a cat. Now, this looks like what we are more used to, whereby this is the 4 icon panel, right? You have at least 4 images being generated for you, and this is what we are used to, okay? It's still powered by DALL-E 3, but the other interface, it only generates 1. Hopefully, this is just a glitch, and this will be done and dusted, and I can archive this video when it's just a glitch. Okay, so this is what you are more comfortable with, that reverse interface. So when you click on any image that you want, this is where we can start to customize, right? And when you start to customize, Microsoft Designer pop up, and this is where you can do your usual editing. At point of recording, as a disclaimer always, as I speak now, there are some generative AI features. We can remove background. It's still on a beta mode, so try it. As we speak right now, this is still free. I'm not using a paid account, all right? Now this side panel Copilot will stay. There's something interesting to note is that you can click compose. Here's a slight interface difference. You see that you can actually start to tell, maybe ask Copilot to tell my network, I have a new job with Microsoft. You can put a different tonality, and you can also put it into the blog post. Let's see how it is. Let's do a short, and you can do a generate draft. So this is what it is. Okay. And if you want to, you can also do an email format, change to the short and generate draft. Okay, so you have an email format. Okay, this is where you can still do your editing on the prompt. So it regenerates for you the content, right? The only thing is that with this new interface, hopefully it's just a temporary thing. I don't know if they're going to revert to the old interface. With this interface, the history of your chat.
So you need to click onto this little rewind button, and then you can see the history of your chat.
In the meantime, just play around with the new interface, which will now be your side panel, because Microsoft has actually launched their new laptop with an interface that caters for this extra space required to have the conversation with Copilot. Okay, just embrace a new interface. Let's see whether it will change in a couple of months down the road. If it does, I'll keep you updated. Take care. Bye-bye.